Hold it back for business. My little homie busted 40 like Jada Menace. Never mind a hater on my mind, never. Stop flexing, nigga, you was hot at 9-7.
Money, nigga, rules, bad bitches get the truth. Talking about that money on my niggas making move. Bitch, I seen them tricks before. Fuck out there. Nigga, I see your type of fuck. Fuck out there.
Them niggas say we can't what?
Fuck out there.
Them bitches say they don't what?
Fuck out there.
Bust it,
Money make the rules, all my niggas make the movies. Bust them bitches chew, she bust it open like a Uzi. Shoes 2,000 up here, and that clip on I'm lit. You won't get none of this money, but these hot shells I shell. And I live by them houses, that's right by the mountain. I just called that lick, it took me 3 days to count it. Them bitches, they love it, a bunch of young niggas love it. I don't be asking no budget, I just tell her go bust it like wide open. All my niggas getting high, smoking. If you hanging, eat a dick with your eyes open. Montana, Oscar ride, nigga. That's like 2.5 in that garage, nigga. Money, nigga, rules, bad bitches get the truth. Talking about that money on my niggas making move. Bitch, I seen them tricks before. Fuck out there. Nigga, I seen your type of fuck. Fuck out there.
them niggas say we can't what?
Fuck out there.
Them bitches say they don't what?
Fuck out there.
Bust
I'm in my zone, I'm feeling it. Stop blowing my buzz, quit killing it. So buy another round and try to shut us down by the hour ago. But we selling this bitch, we selling this. We selling this bitch, we selling this. Let's turn this shit around, let's buy another round. Let's try to shut us down like it's time ago. I ain't selling this bitch. Pull up in that automatic cook up. Be rich, pull up in that booster till we wake the fucking hood up. Got all these pounds of ganja, I work out, I'm doing push-ups. Bobby Banders in the building, pop that pussy, throw up, put up in that. One time for a nigga like me, that's why I like this. Why team so strong and flow so cold and never bustin' bad bitches in my clique. What's up inside? What's up inside? We in B, we in B. They think they seeing me, but they ain't seen shit. Girls on the pole, yeah, they make me rich. Girls on my shows wanna take my pick. Yeah, we can do this here all night. Can't tell me nothing, can't tell me shit. All of my zone, all of my own. Open that pack, rolling that strong, and we still up in this bitch. Won't turn down, won't go home. Yeah. I'm in my zone, I'm feeling it. Stop blowing my buzz, quit killing it. So buy another round. They try to shut us down by the hour ago, but we selling this bitch. We selling this, we selling this bitch. We selling this. Yes, turn the shit loud. Let's buy another round. They try to shut us down by the hour ago, we selling this. I got 8 wheels on my ride, spent about 6 meals on my ride. Kept me swerving all of your side of town, but the bitch don't kill my life. Don't blow my high, then blow my guy. I'm so paid, I'm so fly, yo baby daddy, they respect me, black it out, there no lie. I'm on my square, blowing circles in the air, her that purple. I'm a boss and you a worker, listen here boy, don't make me hurt you, you want trouble, I got plenty, how you want it, put this in me. I'm so rich, so all that fuckboy shit you kick it, don't offend me, don't get killed off in it, bitch. I spend meals all on this shit, boy, it been 11 years of this shit, look at me now, still in this bitch. Yeah, I stand tall, no ball. You pussy ass nigga can't touch me. See me, don't speak, ain't that G. I'm in my zone, nigga, don't fuck with me. I'm in my zone, I'm feeling it. Stop blowing my buzz, quit killing it. So buy another round. They try to shut us down by the hour ago, but we still in this bitch. We still in this. We still in this bitch. We still in this. We turn this shit up loud. all my niggas. All these bad bitches, bitch, all this free liquor. Let's all right about so many women, one of these hoes might be your wife. She looking for a nigga that's ballin', so tonight might be her night. You know me, I stay stuck, low, we got through tuition and ice. That money fast like science, bitch, nigga, I speak E-money. Got a new car, I make cash, got a new crib with a weed lab. Crispy, I need that. Fuck your team with a free set. 100 deep in VIP, niggas always hate. I came in with a bunch of dudes and I'm leaving out this late. I got your boo and my boo got a Jeep out, that's where my baby. My system loud, my weed loud, no her clippers unfaded. Trippy. I'm in my zone, I'm feeling it. Stop blowing my buzz, quit killing it. So buy another round. They try to shut us down about an hour ago, but we still in this bitch. We're still in this. We're still in this bitch. We're still in this. We just turn this shit around. Let's buy another round. They try to shut us down about an hour ago, but we still in this bitch. Luxury, chitty ching ching, could buy anything, got that. Color greens, 3 degrees low, make it hot for me, drop that. Damn, that shit can shoot, stop this, yeah, with the shit, ay, down with the shit, yeah, down with the shit, smoke this, drink this, straight to my lover, watch this, no take, yeah, I'm the nigga, game rap, X-Miss, smoke shots, I the level, faded, Vegas, Mike sponsor the killer, shake it, break it, figure in the drop it, copy, slide through it in the object, rock it, blast, look again, it's lovely, baby, how not, I remember fading. Give me some. Freak the freckles off your face. Put you freaking flopping tongues. My link is at your burns. Lose your then don't make it numb. Know it, baby, no Saddam. Icky. Fucking in the car service. Thank you for the call. Chromosome powerful. Probably off an arco and gas at the arco. This is the intro. Shopping from the window. Play my favorite tempo. Luxury. Chitty ching ching. Could buy anything. Got that. Color greens, 3 degrees low, make it hot for me, drop that. Yeah, shit can shoot, stop this, yeah, with the shit, hey, down with the shit, down with the shit. Hold up, biatch. This your favorite song. Translation, when I get my mía circular. Yo quiero que mi huevo si papi moles. Espero chuparse puto pendejo el pinche cabrón. Let's get it nice like this, I'm a night like this. Sword in my hand, I fight like this. And I'm more than a man, I'm a god. Bitch, you stay on guard. You been trapping, you just pop out of that tank top and bra. And when I say do, bitch, that BK dog. She wants some more of this, I give her more of this. I owe this, in fact, I know she missed the way I floored this. I'm focused, I know my Houston partners drop her for this. And focus and slow it down. Alright, let me blow this bitch, I'm famous. I play with some good cash in the river. Hey, get my penthouse. God, like the coverage, watching your habits. Popping out, you lift the bullets. Pop my top on the 105. Head with no power steering. Luxury. Chitty ching ching, could buy anything, got that. Color greens, 3 degrees low, make it hot for me, drop that. Damn, shit can shoot, stop this, yeah, with the shit, hey, down with the shit, yeah, down with the shit. I mean, nigga famous, straight from the bottom, broke niggas hate. Still never rock the guns in the basement. Out there, never rock the kush, be my fragrance. Never run the function on fire. On the road, fuck this motherfucker, put his ball. Go crazy like no other weed, steady blow. Pass the bud to my mama runs in luxury. Chitty ching ching, could buy anything, cop that. Oh oh, color green. 3 degrees low, make it hot for me. Drop that. Oh oh oh, damn damn, get shit so this that down with the shit. Hey oh 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 oh, down with the shit. Yeah, this that down with the shit. Hey oh oh oh. Hey, yo, Khaled! Yo, y'all know y'all done fucked up now.
DJ Khaled. I've been waiting for a long time.
How long?
Real damn long time.
How long?
I've been waiting for a long time.
How you feel?
Man,
Come on,
I
man.
feel like,
Yeah.
I feel like these hating niggas waiting to get me. I'm losing my sleep. I'm losing my mind. You know I go hard when it comes to mine. I feel like,
Y'all know y'all fucked up now.
Sucker walk up on me, talking like you know me. Ain't no color spinning, do my dirt all on my number. Down south nigga, talking jam pony. Rest in peace and look alive. He showed me my first rolling. Bitches wanna know me, haters wanna show me. But I'm just so vicious, don't lose my daily tickets. God just pull me over, caught up in the scene. Take my case to trial, my jury upon the green. I know they hate me, but it's such a major nigga. Just a click in the fucking money, CIA on whips. 3 or 5 grips, Vicky wants the bitches. Man, I don't care.
I feel like these hating niggas waiting to get me. I'm losing my sleep. I'm losing my mind. You know I go hard when it comes to mine. I feel like
Nigga, in the big life to be great, motherfuckers. I'm not starving, I eat fast. Most saying when I creep past. Blacked out, I max out. What's saying, watch on me, jack. We killing niggas, no reflex. My mama got like 3 cats. You talking about 2 bar, nigga. We really getting that street cash. Say old money, new word. Smell the king of my new shirt. My OG said crack bubbing on the air. You do dirt. My mama said do schoolwork. I was making that 2 work. Niggas wanted me dead. With a whole lot of my head. Big in the passenger. Hip hop in the passenger. So I'm riding around with this neck on me. And a bunch of shooters in the back. Roll up, you a dead man. Headshot when we clap jump. We sending niggas to the motherland. Nighttime, I feel
like these hating niggas waiting to get me. I'm losing my sleep. I'm losing my mind. You know I go hard when it comes to mine. Feel like a nigga in the world. Bury me a G, my middle finger to the world. Gon' forever be a G. Cause a nigga wanted we can stay on, no biggie. When we get busy, no alarm, just send me. We go out and let the blood like straight ball. The break to the grave, ride with my homie cow. Give a damn if the beat like a deal. What's the beat? What's the bang? Yeah. We go march with the steps. They say Brenda had a big rush and left it at the end. But you can play ahead and now we going back to Kelly. Every time, niggas, I got a story to tell. My ambition as a rider, now we ready to die. Then when we ride over pain, we go hard as shit. Why you complain and you wonder why we call you bitch? Cause every day you struggle with me and my bitch. It's unbelievable the suicide about you get. I say fuck me, going in the gun go black. You need a new sorry, you ain't getting one more jam. You know shit, don't stop. It's up pressure. Hollin' on it, got the Jerry shout. I ain't mad at you, ain't mad nigga. Yeah, nigga can't see me. I pay thug nigga. Y'all watch how I want me. See a kid around in your town, kicking your door. I feel like Pocket Biggie, Lord.